Today we are going to study the dissected part of the face and head region. So this is a very important face region. We have the facial group of muscles and different structures important, including parotid gland and facial nerve. So dissection of face and head we are going to study today. As we are going to see, this is the dissection of the face region. In this face region, where you can see here the occipitofrontalis muscle, this is the area where this muscle attachment is called as a frontalis muscle, where it is covering the cranium from the occiput to the frontal region. This we call as an occipitofrontalis. Where around the eyeball we are going to get the orbicularis oculi muscle, and here we are going to get the eyeball is situated in the socket of the eye. So which is we are going to get the orbit, we call in the orbit we are going to get the eyeball is situated. Then going to the lateral aspect, in this face region where we can see here the presence of the parotid gland. This parotid gland which is there, which is situated in front of the ear, near and around the ear, we are going to call it that is a parotid gland. Next, which is we get here the muscle known as a, which is called as a, this is a masseter muscle. This masseter muscle, deeper to this we are going to have the zygomatic minor and zygomatic major, and below this we have the buccinator. So buccinator, zygomatic major, zygomatic minor and masseter muscle. This all which is we call this area of the masseter muscle, where we can get the muscles of the mastication, that is a medial pterygoid, lateral pterygoid, masseter, and we have the temporalis muscle. This is a temporal region, temporal fossa. This muscle we call as a temporalis muscle. This is a temporalis muscle. Then we have the masseter muscle. Deeper to this we have medial and lateral pterygoid. But you can see here below this we have the zygomatic major and buccinator muscle on this region. Then going to the in the part near around the oral cavity. Here we are going to get around the oral cavity we have this muscle which is forming orbicularis oris. How we have studied orbicularis oculi around the eye, like around the oral cavity we are going to get the orbicularis oris. Here we have the mentalis and depressor, we are muscle we are going to get depressors and mentalis, orbicularis oris. So in this we are going to get the procerus muscle on the nasal region, alecinasi, depressor septi, and we are going to have the muscles around the oral cavity, muscles of the nose, and one which is a muscle, surprise muscle, that is a, we have the mentalis. Then on this region we have the main important here, that is a parotid gland. You can see here this side also you can see the major part where you can see around this. This is a muscle, temporalis muscle, and this you can see contain where we can see the, this is one parotid gland, and this parotid gland is situated in front near around the otic, that is the external acoustic meatus. So these muscles which we get, those are attached to the mandible, that is the temporalis and masseter. So these will be the included as a muscles of the mastication. So these all will be included in the face, head. First one, scalp you are going to get, which is occipitofrontalis covering, then temporalis muscle, muscles of the eyeball, and in the socket we have the eye that is situated. Eye socket contains the eyeball that is dissected and removed, and we have the muscles around the nose, muscles around the eyeball, muscles around the oral cavity, muscles of mastication, and we have the parotid gland. So these all structure which is included in the, that is we call as that is a dissection of the head and face region. So this is a which gives you the idea about the dissection of head face, and including this is a below the mandible. This is a one properly you can see the thin muscle of the neck region, that is a platisma. So this is the platisma, you can see parotid gland, temporalis, masseter muscle. So these all will get within the parotid gland. We have the facial nerve. Within this we have the 5 branches of facial nerve giving to the face region. So this will give you the idea about the dissection of the head face, including